Hello, welcome to another Map Business Online video presentation, and we've got a list of bowling alleys across the country. Let's imagine that's what this is. You can see that in our legend here. We've already imported and classified those data sets. So we've got the ability to search any of our data. So we could search by radius, which is pretty easy. Just drop a point on the map and then drag across or change your mile radius and save that. Bowling 1. And now you've got a list that you can actually route to. You can route to that whole list there, or you can export that out for use in a third party. And then you can also do some filtering of that list if you wanted to. You could look for all of the bowling alleys that contain, let's see, we'll just query the name, and we'll say that it contains the name or the word park, and then we'll filter that, and there it is. So we get one right there. We go back into the filter and just undo it. So that's another way for you to query data. You could do a polygon search. Let's drill in a little bit, because I think the best way to look at that is to think about a corridor. So if you grabbed a polygon like this and you said, well, geez, I just want to see these particular data sets because I'm going to be traveling around Salt Lake City along this path tomorrow. So that's the polygon search I'd like to make, and then you save that. And you create that, and you'll be able to bowl your way through the Salt Lake City area, and you can export that out for use in maybe a CRM application, or however you want to manage that particular data set. Don't forget, you can export it out and then import it back in as another data layer within Map Business Online. So that's always helpful. You've got the drive time polygon as well. So if we had a drive time polygon selected, we can simply put a point in the middle of Denver and go out 30 minutes and search for all of the data that happens to be in a drive time polygon around Denver of 30 minutes. So that polygon, we'll name that Bowling 3. That polygon now represents all of the records within your data that live within that purple polygon right there. So let's bring that over and into view. So that's all of those data points that you can see within that purple polygon. And so that means from the center, it takes you 30 minutes to drive out to anywhere along that polygon. That's based on the inherent street data records or street data information that's embedded within Map Business Online, or any of the mapping applications that provide a drive time query. So those are some of the ways that you can query and search your business data and use Map Business Online to make your data segmentable and searchable and for use in third-party applications. Thank you very much for taking the time. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial.